So today, finally, I got some AirPods. It's actually been a long time since I've been wanting these, actually a few years if I can be honest. And we finally got them. So in this video, what we're going to be doing a review / unboxing of these products. And honestly, I am nothing but satisfied with these devices. And honestly, I think this is a really good purchase, and I think it's gonna really benefit me in the long run. Without any further ado, let's check out the box. AirPods 2. What exactly is different about this version of the AirPods? Basically, it improves a lot of things, and we're going to be talking about in this video. So something that's new is Hey Siri support. So if you have them in your ears, and you say Hey Siri, it'll automatically hook up to your phone, and you can talk to Siri through your AirPods, which is pretty cool. It also improves quite a bit with the new H1 chip, which allows you to get faster connections to phone calls and other stuff. It's 2 times faster when switching to different devices. It is also 1.5 times faster when it comes to phone calls. It delivers up to 30% better latency when it comes to gaming as well. So when you're gaming, these are going to be a more viable option for your headphones. It also comes with a new wireless charging case. You can buy it separately for around $79, but it's not really worth it in my opinion. You can probably find other cases that are a better deal, so just saying. So with the new case, if you set it on a Qi charging pad, you can actually see a green light light up to tell you that it's charging, which is pretty cool. The AirPods 2 delivers 5 hours of listening time and 3 hours of talk time on one charge. The charging case has 24 hours worth of charging capability, aka 24 hours of battery life. So it's pretty good, honestly. There are some better long-lasting battery life Bluetooth earbuds, but they're not made by Apple. And these work perfectly with the iPhone. And if you put the AirPods in for 15 minutes, it should be good for at least 3 hours of listening time. So they charge pretty fast. So how do I like the AirPods 2? They're just like the first generation. They have minor improvements that make them better. The sound quality is about the same. But, if you're just buying AirPods right now, you're not really going to be getting a bad deal because it's just an upgrade to the existing model. That's slightly more expensive if you go with the wireless charging case, but honestly, I wouldn't even go for that. I just go with the one they have to use a lightning cable on. So if you guys enjoy this video and want to see more professional grade, quote unquote, content from me, make sure to drop a like. And hope you all have a wonderful day.